Hello and welcome guys. Let's prepare for success, and today we are going to talk about Panchayati Raj Divas. Let's not waste any time and let's get going. So, on 24th of April we celebrate Panchayati Raj Divas. What's the history about it? National Panchayati Raj Day began on 24th April 1993 when the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act came into force. Remember this very important point. 24th April 1993, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act talks about the Panchayati Raj system that was implemented, and that's the date since when we started celebrating National Panchayati Raj Day. National Panchayati Raj Day 2025 will be observed all over India on 24th of April. Obviously we know about that, and it is dedicated to promoting grassroots democracy, okay, strengthening the local governance and empowering rural communities. India's then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh in 2010 officially declared 24th April as National Panchayati Raj Day. Remember this is also a very important point for all of you. But before we continue this, let's talk about the mentorship program which is being run by Deepika ma'am, especially for the TSPSC 2025-2026 batches. You have one-on-one live mentorship. That is one specific point which I'll put forward for you if you are a dedicated aspirant. Right now we saw the results coming out, and mentorship is very important. If you think so, please call on the numbers given below. We also have the program for TSPSC Group 1 and TSPSC Group 2. There are free demo classes going on. You can call on the numbers below and inquire about it. Anyways, moving forward with Panchayati Raj Divas informations. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee 1957. It talked about democratic decentralization. You get questions from this topic. You get questions asked which committee. Okay, and what was the purpose of the committee? So remember this. Next, three-tier structure. We talk about the three-tier structure. What is the three-tier structure? Gram Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level, and Jila Parishad at the district level. This is the three-tier structure. 50% reservation for women, SC and ST. This is what we see in the Panchayati Raj system. And there is one more important point this year which you should remember. Odisha before 2025 used to celebrate Panchayati Raj Divas on 5th March. Why on 5th March? Because it was the birthday of Biju Patnaik, one of the former chief ministers of Odisha. His birthday 5th March was celebrated as the Panchayati Raj Divas Day, but starting from 24th April 2025 it will be celebrated on the very same day. Remember, this can be a point which can be asked in the exams. Moving ahead, this year's National Panchayati Raj Day will mark a special moment with the presentation of Special Category National Panchayat Awards 2025. Okay, we'll talk about the awards also, which Gram Panchayat, which Gram Sabha has received the award. We'll talk about that also. That will be also very important for your exams perspective. As of today, you know, Lohna Uttar Gram Panchayat in district Madhubani, Bihar. Here the PM himself came to address and talk about these awards. It is for the first time that the Ministry of Panchayati Raj has institutionalized dedicated special category awards, okay, to incentivize the acknowledged exemplary efforts of Gram Panchayat and in the key national priorities of what? Climate action and Atmanirbharta. Obviously we see one big issue that we are facing right now is the change in the climate. So what is the priorities being taken by the Gram Panchayat for the climate actions, and also about the Atmanirbharta, that is the self-reliance. We'll talk about that too. Moving ahead guys, Panchayati Raj Divas, that we know that NPRD, in addition to the awards for best institution for capacity building of Panchayat Raj aligned with the localization of sustainable development goals, okay, the local sustainability development goals will also be conferred on this occasion. Remember, this can be part of your coming up exams and observance of NPRD 2025 from the Gram Panchayat level. Emphasizes the government's commitment for Bikasit Panchayat and Bikasit Bharat. Okay, these points are very important, so try to remember this. Now coming up to the awards, guys. Climate Action Special Panchayat Award, that is CASPA. Okay, these can be asked, these full forms can be asked, this ranks awards will be asked, so please try to remember this. The rank 1 for CASPA is Dawa S Gram Panchayat, that is Gondia district, Maharashtra. Rank 2 goes to Bihar Dahalli Gram Panchayat, that is in Hassan district, Karnataka. And rank 3 goes to Motipur Gram Panchayat, Samastipur district, Bihar. This is, guys, for Climate Action Special Panchayat Award. We are talking about 2025. Okay, the second award, Atmanirbhar Panchayat Special Award. Self-reliance was the word that we were talking about. Rank 1 goes to Mal Gram Panchayat in Rangareddy district, Telangana. Congratulations to them. Rank 2 goes to Hatbadra Gram Panchayat, Mayurbhanj district, Odisha. And rank 3, Golapudi Gram Panchayat, Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh. This is Atmanirbhar Panchayat Special Award. That's ANPSA. Moving ahead, the next awards, Panchayat Kshamta Nirman Sarvottam Sansthan Puraskar. Okay. So the rank 1 goes to Kerala Institute of Local Administration, that is KILA in Kerala. Rank 2 goes to State Institute for Rural Development and Panchayati Raj in Odisha. And rank 3 goes to State Institute of Panchayat and Rural Development, Assam. Each award includes a financial incentive of rupees 1 crore for rank 1, rupees 75 lakh for rank 2 and rupees 50 lakh for rank 3 respectively. Awardees will be presented with specially designed trophies and certificates. So guys, that was it for the Panchayati Raj system. I'll ask you a question, try to answer it in the comments. The question is, which state of India celebrated Panchayati Raj Divas on 5th March till 2024? Which state of India celebrated Panchayati Raj Divas on 5th March till 2024? Answer me in the comments. Guys, don't forget, we are offering on this special preparation for TSPSC 25-26 by Deepika ma'am. Deepika ma'am is having 20 plus years of experience teaching students of UPSC, TSPSC and various other government exams. This is the chance for you to go for one-on-one live mentorship with Deepika ma'am. If you are interested, call in the numbers given below. Till then, take care of yourself and forget not to prepare for success. We'll meet again. Take care. Bye guys.